everyone, and welcome you all to another tutorial in Figma. So now we're in our chapter number 5 and we'll be learning how you can get started with prototyping in this application. So prototyping is like making an app where you'll just scroll and get to the next page. So I'll be doing that and we'll be showing how you can preview your work, how you can present your work, and how you can also edit your work while doing the prototyping. So let's not waste time. Let's get started with this class. So here, as you guys can see, I do have 3 frames here. And this is just a page and I'll be showing you guys how you can prototype between these pages. So first up, what I'm going to do is I'll be selecting this particular frame, and after selecting here you can see the design option, and just beside the design option I do have the prototype option. So here you can see I do have the prototype option, and if I click down here you can see flowchart, the interactions and all. But what I am going to do is I will be clicking on this plus sign and I'll be joining with this one. Okay, as you guys can see I do have these plus sides, so here I can join on these 4 sides. Okay, so prototype is basically quite vast, but I'll be just starting on with prototype just to show you guys how this actually works, like how you can start making your own application or any kind of web page. So here they're asking me how I want to navigate to, like I want to go forward, so I'll click on this. Workout app is fine, instant is also fine. So these are a few of the animations which are there. I'll be taking a brief class on that. So here it is on click, and I'll just select this. Same here, as I do have this plus sign. So with this plus sign I will just join this page here. Okay, so I have this one as well. And now, as you guys have seen, I do have this. So now I want to see how it will go from one page to another. Okay, so for that, here you can see I do have an icon here. Okay, so here there is 2 icons basically. So the first one is present and the other one is preview, and there is a vast difference between present and preview. So if I click on present, I will have a different box here, like a different window. So if I click on present, let's see how it will look, and after that I'll be showing you guys what a preview looks like and how it is different. So here you can see I do have this one, and if I click on this I can just change. Okay, as you can see, and by manually also I can click here and see how my page looks like. Okay, so here, and suppose I do have these icons here, and if I'm just tapping I'm just going to the other page. So I hope you guys have understood how you can do that, and manually also we can go back. But suppose I want to change this particular writing from here. In that case, every time I should not just go back or just cancel this particular page. Instead of that, what I can just do is I can just come here. Suppose I want to select this, or I want to select this box, and I want to decrease the size of this box. Okay, shrink the size, something like that. Or suppose I want to just delete this box. Okay, just to show you guys an example, just to I'll just click on delete, and now you can see my page starts from here. Okay, so in that case what I'm going to do is, if I come here in this page, here you can see my first page looks quite like this. So I didn't have to delete this first page or cancel this first page to view the changes. So in that same case, if I want to change any color or anything as such, I can just come to the design option, come to this fill option from here, and I can take any color as I like. So here you can see I do have this particular color here, and I can just select this, and as I do have this color, I can also take this color in all these frames as well. Okay, I will take a color same as this. Here you can see I do have the color, and I can change the pattern from here. And here if I want to take a different color for the fill, I can do that as well from here. Okay, so and all these icon boxes also I can put different type of color from here. Okay, so hope you guys have understood how you can do the prototype and how you can see this page. Okay, so here as you can see, once I have made some changes, here also it got changed. So this is how it actually works. This is how we can get a present or see our work in a new tab. But if I want to see a preview, so let's see what it does. If I click on preview, I'll have a window just beside my work here. It would create a different window, but instead of that, it will just give me a preview on any corner where I will put. So here you can see this is my preview box, which is just loading, and now you guys will be able to see that it is giving me a live update of my preview. So from here I can open this one in presentation view, which I don't have to do because I have already opened this one here, and I can also fit this to the frame aspect ratio, and I can just go like here from here manually, and if I just tap on this, it will go from first page to the second to the